Hi students, welcome to chemistry first year online. In previous class we discussed nomenclature of benzene substituted compounds. In this class we are going to discuss isomerism. Isomerism. It is very important topic students, so carefully listen to me. Okay, carefully follow this class. Isomerism. What is isomerism and types of isomerism and examples we are going to discuss in this class. Okay, so first students, isomerism. See students, what is isomerism means? The organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their properties. Different in their properties are called isomerism and the compounds are called isomers. Okay. See students, what is isomerism means? The phenomenon of organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their properties are called isomerism and the compounds are called isomers. Okay, so here it is isomerism. What is isomerism means? Organic compound, the phenomenon of organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the phenomenon of organic compounds having same molecular formula but different in different in their properties. The phenomenon of organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their properties. Same molecular formula but different in their properties is called isomerism and the compounds are called isomers. The compounds are called isomers. Okay, so here types of isomerism we are going to discuss. See students, types of isomerism we are going to discuss. Isomerism is two types, structural isomerism and a stereo isomerism. See first one. So first one, structural isomerism. And second one, stereo isomerism. Stereoisomerism. See, structural isomerism means compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their structures. Organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their structures are called structural isomers, or the phenomenon is called structural isomerism. Okay, see here structural isomerism. See, this is called isomerism, and next second one is called structural isomerism. Structural isomerism. See, organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their structures. Okay, the phenomenon is called differ in their structures, and this phenomenon is called structural isomerism. Okay, so this is the structural isomerism. Structural isomerism can be divided into four types. Okay, structural isomerism can be divided into four types. See, first one, see, structural isomerism can be divided into four types. So in this one, so first one, chain isomerism. And second one, position isomerism. Next, third one, functional group isomerism. Next, fourth one, metamerism. Okay, how many types of structural isomerism? Four types: chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, and metamerism. Next, stereoisomerism. What is the stereoisomerism? Means organic compounds having same molecular formula but arrangement of atoms or functional groups around the carbon atom differ, and the arrangement of atoms or functional groups around the carbon atom having double bond are called stereoisomerism. Okay, so what is a stereoisomerism? Means organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the arrangement of atoms or functional groups around the carbon atom. Okay, so this is nothing but a stereoisomerism. See here, you have to know stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism. Okay, organic compounds having same molecular formula same molecular formula, but differ in arrangement of functional groups around the carbon atom, but differ in arrangement of functional groups around the carbon atom. This phenomenon is called stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism. Okay, so organic compounds having same molecular formula, but differ in arrangement of functional groups around the carbon atom. This phenomenon is called stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism again divided into three types. Okay, so first one is conformational isomerism, next optical isomerism, next geometrical isomerism. See here, first one, geometrical isomerism. Next one, conformational isomerism. And third one, optical isomerism. So this is about isomerism. So isomerism is two types, stereo and structural and stereo. So structural isomerism is again divided into four types: chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, and metamerism. Next stereo isomerism. Means, so what is isomerism means? The phenomenon of organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in properties are called isomerism, and the compounds are called isomers. Isomerism is two types. The first one is structural isomerism and second one is stereo isomerism. Structural isomerism means organic compounds having same molecular formula but the compounds which differ in their structures. The phenomenon is called structural isomerism and the compounds are called structural isomers. Structural isomerism is four types: chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional group isomerism, metamerism. Okay, next stereo isomerism. Organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in arrangement of atoms or groups around the carbon atom. Is called stereo isomerism. Next stereo isomerism is three types: geometrical isomerism, conformational isomerism, and optical isomerism. See, now we are going to discuss first chain isomerism. Okay, chain, position, functional, metamerism. So first one, chain isomerism. See here, we are going to discuss. What is a chain isomerism means? Organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their skeletal structures, differ in their chains. Organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their chains, is this phenomenon is called chain isomerism. See here, organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their chain structures. Differ in their chain structures. Okay, and this phenomenon is called chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. For example, C5H12. C5H12. Name of this molecule is pentane. Name of this molecule is pentane. So it will be right. It will give 3 isomers by changing their structures. Okay. See here, I am writing CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C5, 3 plus 3, 6 and 6, 12. It is nothing but a pentane or N-pentane. So this is pentane. Okay. Next I am changing its structure. See next, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 and here I am adding one chain. Okay, one branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5, then 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, H12. So it is nothing but a 2-methyl butane. IUPAC name is 2-methyl butane. IUPAC name 2-methyl butane. Okay, common name isopentane. Okay, see, common name is isopentane. Next we may write this molecule one more way. That is nothing but a CH3, and CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C5, 3, 3, 3, 3, 12, H12. So IUPAC name we have to write first. So IUPAC name means give numbering 1, 2, 3. So 2, 2, dimethyl 2, 2, dimethyl. How many carbons in the chain? 3. So propane. Okay. So common name is see here, what is common name? Neopentane. Common name is neopentane. Okay, so this is we may write 3 isomers for this pentane by changing its structure or chain, by changing its chain. So this is pentane, this is isopentane, this is a neopentane. So this is nothing but a chain isomerism. What is a chain isomerism? Means a compounds having same molecular formula but differ in chain structures, differ in their chain structures. This phenomenon is called chain isomerism. Okay, so remaining we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.